I'm James Zanewicz from Tulane Medicine here in the Bullpen during JPM 2025 on our last day with Hannah Zhang of Zepto Life Technology. I screwed it up before, I got it right this time, it's the best. And so, Hannah, I love having you here. It's great to have you in the Bullpen as a member. And so our whole community, because we have limited people here, a lot, but not everyone, I'd love for them to get to know you and hear a bit about your background and how you got where you are today.
Excellent. Thanks, James. And it's incredible to be a part of the Bullpen community. So a bit about myself. I've always been very passionate about innovation that creates a tangible impact. So my perspective really is shaped by my background in finance and also my love for problem solving and making an impact. And I'm a big believer in the power of collaboration. So Bullpen's mantra of help each other really resonated with us. And the saying that Christian always likes to say at the meetings is if you want to go fast, go alone. If you want to go far, go together.
Absolutely.
Yeah. And so where I come from is Zepto Life Technology. We're a Minnesota-based company, and we have an incredibly talented and dedicated team. We're pushing the boundaries for diagnostics.
And that takes me to my perfect follow-up question, which is, what is your focus right now? I'm going to guess you gave us a preview that it's Zepto Life Technologies. Is that correct?
Yeah.
What are you working on with them this year? What are your goals that you want to achieve with 2025 ahead?
Wonderful. I love this question. So at Zepto, what we do is we develop life-saving molecular diagnostics for those time-sensitive infections where the clock is ticking from the time that you have a patient and you need to identify the pathogen as soon as possible to guide effective treatment decisions. And so the first application to our platform technology is to address the delayed diagnosis problem for invasive fungal infections. And when you talk fungal, a lot of times people think superficial infection, like on someone's skin or on the nail. Invasive fungal infections are deep-seated and progress very rapidly. And as of today, unfortunately, 80% of all antifungal medications are misused, and more than half of our patients are dying. And what the laboratories and physicians are really calling for is new technology that can enable timely species-level identification to guide that effective treatment decision.
So what made you focus on this? What made you passionate about it as an area?
Well, so the technology that we have offers the ability to do highly multiplex molecular testing.
Okay.
And to visualize that, for our first panel, we have 21 clinically relevant fungal pathogens in one test.
That's a great launch. Wow.
Yeah, and having a comprehensive answer and getting your results in 90 minutes time as opposed to culture-based methods taking days is so critical.
It'd be life-saving.
Absolutely. So that's really what motivates myself, my team, and also our collaborators. So we work with some very impressive institutions, including Mayo Clinic, University of Minnesota Fairview, as well as Johns Hopkins, to really visualize the clinical impact of our technology, especially for the application of invasive fungal
We need to get Tulane in your mix as well. Not that I'm biased or anything, but
I look forward to it.
We can have that conversation afterwards.
Excellent.
And with that, though, you mentioned the Bullpen's motto of helping each other. It's find someone, help repeat. Very similar to what you guys are trying to do with your technology. But when you come and do this, and you take on the glare, the lights, and the camera, you get to make an ask of the community. So how can the Bullpen help you achieve your goals?
Yes. So what brings us to JPM is to make more connections and really share our story of what we're creating at Zepto. We are raising money.
Excellent.
We're raising $15 million Series B, and what that $15 million will enable Zepto to accomplish is to get to that pre-commercial final version of our test and to launch our FDA clinical study for clearance.
And I know people are always open to any conversation about investment, but do you have in mind the kind of that minimum threshold you want investors to come in at for that? Because they often will ask, what's their minimum? I'll be like, I don't know, but I've learned to ask that so that we know. And if you have that in mind, it'd be great to put that out there now.
Yeah, that's a great question. So right now what we're focused on is to identify a lead investor.
Okay.
And we're hoping for someone to come in and with the expertise of having helped other diagnostics commercialize, because we know what we're developing is life-saving and we want to maximize the patient impact. And also our vision is to revolutionize and advance diagnostic standards worldwide. So looking for that partner that can be on that journey with us.
So for investors who are passionate about saving lives through diagnostics and really can bring that network to bear and have maybe worked on this before, you're a tremendous opportunity for them, and they should reach out and inbox you right now through LinkedIn.
That would be wonderful. You can find me on LinkedIn. You can learn more about our company at our website, zeptolife.com.
Perfect.
And we look forward to making those valuable connections.
Thank you so much for making time and sitting with us. I hope you survive your last 24 hours of JPM. And I look forward to seeing you and watching your company grow over the course of the year.
Thank you. And we look forward to working with Tulane.
I love that. Perfect.